1968 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics, some nice custom work done to this truck. First of all, underneath the hood, and that is a cowl. Induction hood, as you can see, 350 small block Chevy power. It's paired up with a 700R4 automatic, so automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. As you can see, more modern headlight. Some marker lights or fog lights built into the bumper down below, custom look. All right, still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There's a good look at that hood, and you can see the black finish on this truck. Very nice shape. It's black. You're going to find a spot that maybe has been touched up here or there, but overall, paint shows very well on this one. It's also riding on air ride suspension, so I will show you this thing lowered down in the weeds, as they say. We'll get into more details on that in just a minute. Riding on US Mags chrome wheels. Willwood drilled and slotted rotors, so disc brakes all four corners, by the way. You can see the reflection of that paint. Practically looks like a mirror. Almost like the paint's wet. Let's take a look down this passenger side. One other thing I want to note. The glass on this truck is all tinted, so know your local and state laws with the percentage window tint that you can have, because this one is dark. I want to make you aware of that. No major nicks, dings, scratches in this passenger side. Beautiful wood bed on this one with the stainless dividers. All right, so there is your custom air ride compressors and holding tank. And I'll show you the controls on that in a little bit on the interior. Very nice setup. And again, I'll show you it laying down in the weeds. And right now we're at just kind of a regular ride height. As you can see, those panels nice and straight also. Roll pan in the back. Once again, all the still pictures, Unique Classic Cars. There'll be over 100 pictures of this truck online. 373 gears in the rear. Dual exhaust, and it dumps just before the rear axle. Brakes are 100% in the rear, 100% in the front. This truck's ready to go, folks. Let's take a look down this driver's side again. You can see nice glossy black paint. If you like these late 60s Chevy trucks, or just Chevy trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at this interior. Now, I do want to mention that tint does have a wear spot from going up and down in the door. Look at those door panels, so it's kind of a suede, leather appearing two-tone door panel. Seats. Great look to them. Red stitching, custom center console with cup holder, tilt column. Wanted to click on the key and leave it on so I could show you this interior with the red backlit, highlighting the red stitching. Aftermarket stereo is working. All right, so here is air ride controls. Left and right. That's how it works. So front and rear, left and right. That's how they have it set up. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear this thing run. Nice Lobe idle. Again, small block Chevy. There is a lockup for the overdrive right here, that switch. Let this warm up just a little bit. Also custom installed speakers up above. Very nice sounding stereo, and that stereo is working. Door closes very nicely. flip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. Give you a good look at the engine bay. We'll check out that engine bay. And then I'll go ahead, I'm going to lower the air ride suspension so we can take a look at it laying in the weeds. And then we'll have Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, there it is. 350, aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock 4-barrel, HEI ignition, Optima battery. It's a nice setup, good looking engine bay. Smooth runner. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how I lower this. So we're going to go ahead and that's the rear. Dropped all the way down. We're going to take and do the front. As you can see by the gauges, we're at the bottom. Let's look. There it is, good looking truck, lowered too. All right, give us a call, 1968 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Nice, customized truck, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics, there's a ton of them. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet C10. You could say a little customized. Beautiful black paint, cowl induction hood, aftermarket gauges, air ride suspension, a low car style shifter here on the floor. For the automatic transmission, just put it in drive or overdrive and go. We've got her raised up a little bit for drivability. An excellent sound coming out the tailpipe of this truck. Our gauges are showing 14 volts on the battery. The fuel tank is over 3/4 full. Temperature 140. It's been running for a while, so she stays nice and cool. Oil temperature, oil pressure, about 60 psi. Tachometer working, speedometer also working. Low miles on this build. We have a clock right in the middle of the gauges as well. Digital radio. Very clear sound out of that digital radio, sounding good. Your switch is down here for the air ride. You can raise it, lower your suspension. Gauges also for the air. That'll be the tanks for the air ride. Brakes feel good. Feels like manual steering, but it is easy to steer. Stays nice and flat thanks to that suspension. Almost didn't mention the beautiful interior. These seats, very stylish. We've got a mixture of what looks like leather and fabric blended. That might be simulated, I'm not sure. But very nice looking with red stitches throughout. Even in the dash matching the seats. Headliner has speakers. This truck is set and good to go. Take a look at all the pictures of this 68 C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.